I'm actually kind of impressed. I always took you for a queer, but I guess you're just a little screw-up like your father. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that house is full of screw-ups. You know, I guess you shouldn't really be surprised. A bunch of screw-ups in your family. I mean, your mom. I mean, I'm not even surprised what happened to your brother. I'm sorry, I have to be the one to tell you that the Byers, their family is a disgrace to the entire...